Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making one of my recipes, and this is my recipe for pumpkin spice cake. This is similar to a couple of recipes I found online. I kind of merged them together and threw my own input into it, so I hope you like it too. Let's get started.
Lots of ingredients today. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, half a cup or 110 milliliters of oil, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, half a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 2 cups or around 500 grams of pumpkin puree. See the link in the card for how to make it yourself. Half a cup or 60 milliliters of milk. I'm using coconut milk today. 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons pumpkin spice. See the link in the card if you need a recipe. 3 teaspoons cinnamon, 2½ cups or 315 grams of flour. In a large mixing bowl, cream your butter. I used these beaters to make pumpkin puree before using them for this recipe, but I didn't bother to wash them since the recipe contains pumpkin puree anyway. Add both sugars and cream together. At this point, my camera battery died, so we'll substitute photos. Add the oil and cream with the butter. Beat in eggs, one at a time. Add pumpkin puree, vanilla, and milk. Add spices, leaveners like baking powder, baking soda, and flour in several additions. Pour into greased and lined baking pans and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. I'll show you how I level it. I'm also cutting the cake into layers. This cake is soft and moist and really pleasant to eat. The pumpkin and cinnamon come out really well, very delicious. I hope you enjoy the recipe today. Tag me on Instagram if you make it yourself. I would love to see your work. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook. Subscribe for more recipes.